Number 8, the impedances of an AC circuit is given by Z1 is equals to 8 polar 25 degrees and Z2 4 polar 60 degrees. Full stop. Z1, Z2 of the circuit will be given as, so if you have been given Z1 to be equals to 8 polar 25 degrees and Z2 to be equals to 4 polar 60 degrees, then they're asking you to find Z1, Z2. They are simply asking you to take Z1 multiplied by Z2. So to multiply such an expression from complex numbers, we learned that if you are to multiply, then you will take the number 8 and multiply by 4. Then if it is multiplication, then that would simply mean that would also add the two values. So for instance, if we have, let's say, Z1 to be R1 polar theta 1, then Z2 to be R2 polar theta 2. In multiplication Z1, Z2, what we do is we multiply R1, R2, then the angles, we will add them in this manner. So if you are to multiply, then the distances are multiplied together, then the angles we multiply. Then if you are to divide Z1 over Z2, then that would mean that you take R1 all over R2, then the angles theta 1 you will subtract to theta 2. I want you to take note of this, that if you are multiplying, we multiply the R and add the angles. Then if we are dividing, we divide the R's, then we subtract the angles. So for this case, we are to take Z1 times Z2. So what we'll do, we'll take 8 times 4, then we will add 25 plus 60. So this will give us 32 polar 85 degrees. If you look at the answers, part C, 32 polar 85 degrees is our answer. So C becomes the answer. Because I've taught you some concept there, I want you to try this. I want you to practice 3 polar 16 degrees times 5 polar negative 44 degrees times 2 polar 80 degrees. I want you to try this. Then the answer you should get should be 30 polar 52 degrees. Then the last one, I want you to also practice this, evaluate in polar form, And what are you evaluating? 16 polar 75 degrees, and we are dividing by 2 polar 15 degrees, and the answer should be 8 polar 60 degrees.